Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn new formula. We use COUNTIF and if conditions together, and we use four different conditions, and get our results. This is our formula. I will guide you how to use this formula. This is our data. Cell 1 has 43 value, then 32, 26. This is our formula. Our formula is first they need to check if NA is available in cell, then result would be shows as false. If and the second condition is if the cell value is less than 21, if the cell value is less than 30, if the cell value is less than 25, then comes true, otherwise false. Here in example you see in this cell the Na is available, therefore the result showing false. In this cell you see this cell is greater than 21, this cell is not less than 30, this cell is not less than 25. Therefore result is false. Here nothing is Na, and this cell is not less than 21, this cell is not less than 30, but this cell is less than 25. Therefore this condition is true. In this formula you see we use COUNTIF condition, then if condition 1, if condition with second condition, if with third condition. How to use it? We use here in example equal to if COUNTIF, this is our range, use comma, we use to find Na, therefore we use static, and for merging with formula we use AND, then we find Na, we need to know Na in this cell, then we use AND for merge and use static. Okay, COUNTIF if this has Na, if this cell has found Na, if this range we found Na, they will count the Na. If the result is 1 is greater than 0. If the result is 1 greater than 0, then comes false. Then we use second condition if this is less than 21, true, then comes true. If H8 is less than 30, then comes true. If I8 is less than 25, then it comes true. Close all the bracket, and you see the result false, because in condition first they check COUNTIF, the condition is Na. Here the formula don't found Na, but here this cell is not less than 21, this cell is not less than 30, this cell is not less than 25, therefore result is false. If we type here 21, then this is less than 25, therefore result is true. If we type here NA, then false, because the first condition they will check NA, therefore it shows result false. We copy this formula and paste in remaining cells. You see here this is less than 25, therefore result is true. If we type here NA, then result is false. Here is NA, therefore result is false. If we here type 15, then it will check first condition first. If here is Na, if there is Na, then it comes false. If then it will check three conditions together. If it is less than 21, if it is less than 30, if it is less than 25, then true. If any condition is true, it becomes true. Hopefully you understand this video. If you have any questions, you may freely comment us, and you may share this video to others to help others, because when you share this video to others, it would be learning for others. Thank you so much.